biointensive farming is a solution to some of our biggest environmental challenges. Today, 80% of all the water used by people in the world is for agriculture, and about 3/4 of our farmable soil has been lost because of the way we farm. If we don't change the way we grow food, in just 15 years, the majority of the world's population, about 5 billion people, may not have enough water to grow all the food they need. And in as little as 40 years, there may be little good farmable soil left. The biointensive method can actually repair and replenish soil and uses a fraction of the water compared with conventional practices. Biointensive requires less water for 3 reasons. First, the soil is prepared deeply by double digging to develop good structure that allows for more nutrient availability and more water for the plants. Second, the organic matter that is incorporated into the soil in the form of compost allows the soil to retain more moisture. And third, a close spacing of plants allows the leaves to shade the soil, creating a microclimate that greatly reduces water consumption. John Jeavons has devoted almost 4 decades to researching, practicing, and teaching the Grow Biointensive method to people throughout the world.
We can grow soil, we can produce more nutrition per unit of area per unit of time, and we use a fraction of the resources in doing so. And each one of us can do it beginning right now, at home.
This film will show you key techniques you'll need in order to practice John Jeavons' approach to biointensive farming. We will take you through initial layout of your bed and double digging, how to create your own compost, planting in seedling flats, transplanting into beds, open pollinated seeds and seed saving, harvesting your crops, choosing your crops, and keeping your garden healthy. This film was made in Willits, California, at John Jeavons' Biointensive Demonstration Farm and at the nearby Golden Rule Farm. We'll be guided by these biointensive experts and practitioners. The biointensive method enables you to build up your soil and grow lots of healthy food. We hope you will share this knowledge with friends and neighbors so we can all play a role in preserving the health of our soil, food, and planet.